Alright guys, Steve here from Off-Grid Vintage Tractors and Rural Life. We bought the 420W John Deere and it runs good, pretty good shape, and dealing with Andy was good. You know, as I said, I meet the nicest people on tractor deals, always, you know, and I did okay on it. It's I wished I'd have been able to buy it cheaper, but I did all right on it. You know, and it is what it is. He does the same as I do, and you know, he was just up in Michigan buying a few. You know, and sometimes we gotta travel, and sometimes we gotta pay a little more than we want to buy them. But sometimes we run across some deals that, you know, that people put a cheap price on them, and so we just try to get it all to even out, you know. For a John Deere, I guess I did pretty good, actually. It's a sweetie. It could use front tires. The back one rear tire's a little scuffed, and they got some weather cracking in them, but it is what it is. You know, it's a Deere, it's a John Deere, and it's the old it's 1957. And they only made these 56, 57, 58. This I believe is a 57. And it's the straight wheel. There was 1 or 2 years of these that they made the angled steering wheel. This is the straight steering wheel. And I drove it, and it drives nice, runs nice, everything else. So that's a smaller tractor than some of them I've got. It's more on the lines of like Alice-Chalmers C, size-wise. And that's about the same horsepower, maybe a little bit more than an Alice-Chalmers C. But a sweet little tractor. So we're gonna get off the road here, guys. This is our deal. I get home, I'm gonna upload these on there, and hope you'll watch them tonight, guys, because we'll be putting them up. Appreciate you. Thanks, you subscribers, you new ones, and you continuing subscribers. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. So long. Come back.